Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the construction of the tallest hotel in Jamaica. This is the Moon Palace, Montego Bay. It's going to be 30 floors, 1,350 rooms. And this is a site straight ahead. Now, at the bottom of the screen, that site is a construction of the Unico Hotel. And we're flying over to the site where the Moon Palace is going to be. Now we can confirm that this is where the Moon Palace is going to be. We had done a video earlier and there was a lot of discussion as to whether this is the actual Moon Palace site, but we confirmed it, and this is the 30th floor Moon Palace. I think it's Moon Palace Grand. That's the official name. Moon Palace Grand Montego Bay. So this is the site. Now this will be the tallest building in Jamaica at 30 floors. Also the tallest hotel. You have the Pinnacle, which is 4 towers at 28 floors. And this entire strip it's emerging as a new tourist hip strip. Some people say the Elegant Corridor in Montego Bay extends all the way back to this point. But beside this, so this is Moon Palace. Beside it, you have the Unico, which is under construction. And then beside that, you have the site for the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. And then beside that, you have 3 Iberostar hotels. They are finished and up and running. So this strip is definitely going to become a major tourist corridor in Jamaica. And we are out by Lilliput in Montego Bay. To the left of us, that road is a northern coastal highway. Takes you from the Sangster International Airport to these hotels. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the construction of the Moon Palace. And this is actually the second Moon Palace to be built in Jamaica. The first one is a 700-room hotel in Ocho Rios. It does very well. It's a high-rise building as well. We're actually going to do a video on that hotel for you guys. And as is very common, when a hotel comes to Jamaica, a hotel brand, they do so well that they expand. Rio is up to 7 hotels looking to build their 8th. Sandals has numerous hotels. Secrets is expanding. The Marriott has numerous hotel brands. They are not only they want in Jamaica so bad that they're buying out hotels and rebranding them. Hyatt is here, another major player in the worldwide hotel chain. Everybody, Royalton is here. Everybody wants to come to Jamaica. It's a new tourist hotspot in the Caribbean. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the tallest hotel in Jamaica. The construction of the new Moon Palace Montego Bay represents one of the most ambitious and transformative developments in Jamaica's hospitality sector. Positioned within the Success Estate in Rose Hall, this mega resort is being developed by Palace Resorts, a luxury hotel operator headquartered in Mexico. Once completed, the hotel will not only be the tallest in Jamaica with a planned height of 30 floors, but also one of the largest with 1,350 guest rooms and signature over-water villas, a feature that reflects ultra-luxury trends in modern Caribbean tourism. Located along the scenic and high-value Rose Hall Tourism Corridor, just outside Montego Bay, the site of Moon Palace Montego Bay has been strategically chosen to align with government plans to expand the region's appeal as a luxury destination. The area has already attracted investments from brands like Hard Rock, Unico, and Secrets, and is a key focus in Jamaica's tourism roadmap to add over 4,000 new rooms in the Montego Bay region by the end of the decade. The Success Estate site benefits from oceanfront access, proximity to the Sangster International Airport, and strong infrastructure support. The Moon Palace Montego Bay will stand as a 30-floor structure, making it not only the tallest hotel in the country but also one of the most architecturally prominent. Its imposing vertical design contrasts with Jamaica's traditional low-rise resorts, signaling a new phase of urban-style coastal development. In addition to its 1,350 rooms, the hotel is expected to feature 8 over-water villas, multiple swimming pools, high-end dining establishments, entertainment venues, a state-of-the-art spa, and modern conference facilities. Alright guys, that is the end of... Oh, wait, there's one more piece. The project aligns closely with the brand's luxury positioning. Palace Resorts is known for its flagship Moon Palace Cancun and the award-winning Moon Palace Jamaica in Ocho Rios. The Montego Bay counterpart is anticipated to take the brand's Caribbean presence to new heights, literally and figuratively. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.